Hi Luis, it's nice to be at Formnext again this year. I think in difficult times where the market conditions are difficult, it's very good to have a trade show to meet the visitors and to exchange ideas and trigger the business. Last year we launched some great innovations.
Yeah, we did. And I think in those challenging conditions, productivity is really key for our customers. So last year when we launched the Renishaw Ultra series, with Tempus technology, we really launched productivity with no compromise in quality.
We were really successful in various industries. One of it was aerospace, another one energy. I see Mark over there, our business manager from Spain. Hey Mark, we just spoke about our success in aerospace and energy industries. What can you tell us about that?
Exciting times, definitely. Now we have machines with 1 laser, 2 lasers and 4 lasers that with technologies such as Tempus and Simlanes are able to give the capacity to our customers to build at a very high productivity that they need with the ideal cost per part.
So it's fair to say we show a very strong evolution based on our innovation which we launched last year.
I have here a good example from Morpheus Designs, that is kind of regulated sectors that they are capable to use the technology in the best possible way.
So what is about our hardware, the new 2-laser machine?
This is a very good example. Renishaw 500D, the dual laser is able to give the customers 3 times the throughput of a single laser machine.
That's great stuff. Thank you, Mark. Another big success is the medical industry, where our increased level of productivity helped to make it really in series production.
Yeah, exactly. Chris, can you tell us why medical device customers choose Renishaw?
Sure. Renishaw 500Q Ultra machine users are able to produce high accuracy lattice components which have consistent mechanical properties across the entire bed of the machine. When you combine this technology with Tempus, 4 lasers, a compact machine footprint, and then also competitive pricing, you've got a great offer for the customer.
Thanks, Chris.
Thank you very much. That's great. Wow, it's really great to see how AM makes it in various industries, and I'm really looking forward for the next couple of days here at the show.
Yeah, it really has been a great start to the week.